of Engineering and Technology, Wagholi, Pune. We are representing the final project of our B journey, and the project name is Classification of Research Paper, and it is guided by the Professor Disha Devutare. She has guided us very well. The project coordinators are as follows: Sagar Nagarade, Vasudha Gajbi, Anisha Kadani. First, we will focusing on the classification of research paper. Furthermore, we will discuss on why we use this topic, why we choose this topic, and what is the solution we are going to provide. We are using the SVM technology for the further description to classify the paper belonging. Okay, so introduction of the project. Research paper, which has the numerous educational and research value, considered a kind of paper that belongs to general conference and research paper, has become the main concern for a student while searching for the paper. The classification of research paper, which serve as the fundamental works, plays an important role in the research paper, conference paper, general paper, etc. Consequently, the classification of research paper has extremely important research significance and research values. The main concern of the graduation student is that for any of the project concerned, we need to download the project paper belonging to that specific domain. So the problem statement are as follows. The task at hand is to create a precise and efficient category system for research publication. User receive an IEEE paper. They don't know whether the paper belonging to any general paper or a conference paper. User having subcategories to understand those problems. The main problem is that the student under the graduation and post-graduation student faces the problem that if they download any kind of IEEE paper, Springer paper, they don't know whether it belongs to which category. So we train an algorithm which give the final output as the belonging of the paper. System architecture are as follows. First, we need to log in on the portal itself. If you are a user already, so you need to log in. System architecture goes as follows. User need to upload the research paper in the form of JPG, PNG and screenshot, and then it can be chooses the PNG, JPNG from the internal file of the system. Select and upload the document on the uploaded document button. Click on the uploaded document. After uploading the document, it will search behind the database and give the respected output which we want from the system architecture. Basically, we are focusing on the image that is JPG and PNG format, such that the image can extract the data in format of the text, and further it can just cross check with the data set which we have trained using the SVM technology. We are using OCR, optical character recognition, to identify it. So first it is the login page. First we need to log in first. If you are already user, so you need to log in. After registration it says you are the user registered successfully. It will give the notification as follows. Then after that we need to choose the file from the database itself. So we have to choose the internal file in the form of JPG, PNG and screenshot. Exactly, it is the first page of the document itself. So we need the first page of the document, not the whole PDF. So after uploading this document, we need to clarify whether the paper belonging, it will give by the system itself. So we have almost 10 categorized research paper: general paper, conference paper, augmented research paper, analysis research paper, cause and effect paper, interpretative paper, experimental research paper, definition paper, survey research paper, compare and contrast paper. So general paper is a paper that is scholarly public maintained article written by research paper professional and other expert. General paper mainly focus on specific discipline and specific field of the subject. Second, the conference paper. Conference paper is often both a written document and an oral representation of any documented paper. Augmented research paper is a research paper in which a student both state the topic they will be exploring and immediately establish the position they will argue regarding the topic in these systems. Fourth, analytical research paper. You poses a question and then collect relevant data from the other researchers to analyze their differences viewpoint. That is known as the analytical research paper. Interpretative paper is a paper the process of making sense of numerical data has been collected, analysis and presented. So these are the characterized research paper which we have trained the SVM technology using OCR to extract the text from the image itself, and then it's going with the backend, that is SVM. So we are using FastAPI for the backend purpose, Angular 13 for the front-end purpose, and MySQL data is used here to clarify that the paper belonging to which category. So with the help of this, we can clearly say that a student cannot be misguided, and it can clear that if they want a specific paper, they can find it. So we have the result output that the uploaded paper belong to the journal category and it is published in IEEE. It is published